Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac Optiq Sport featured in Black Raven with a minimal interior. Under the hood sits an electric motor paired to an electric drive unit. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Super Cruise, HD surround vision, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated front seats with memory seating, power seating and lumbar with powered windows and mirrors. Our main AKG speaker and storage down below. Taking a look at the seats, featured in noir leather with white stitching. And we can hop inside. So to the left here we have our power park brake and power liftgate. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left side we have our Super Cruise, as you can see along the top, with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. And to the right we have our cluster and audio controls. Here is the cluster. And just to the right we can check out the infotainment screen here. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our map and navigation we can check out. And throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera and the surround vision. Just below that we have our climate controls, and below that some storage, as well as two USBs to the left, storage underneath as well, and a floating center console here. We have our infotainment screen controls, two cup holders, and the center console itself opens up from the side. We have a wireless charging pad, storage up top, and more down below. Top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with two dome lights and the power sunshade. Here is the glass roof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior wheels, just to the right we have our charging port. We'll go ahead and click on the Cadillac logo to pop open, press it again to close it up. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back. On the back here we have the monochromatic Cadillac badge, Optiq to the left, and we can go ahead and open it up here. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on the other side for added visibility. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space, not to mention also have hidden storage down below. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have AKG speakers, powered windows, cup holder and storage down below. Taking a look at the seats here, we have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle here we have our rear vents, two USB-C plugins with a 3-prong outlet. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light and an AKG speaker matched on the other side. And if we take a look in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with two cup holders. We get a great view of the glass roof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac Optiq Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.